In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Acuity in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've recently moved or just need to update your contact information for any reason, keeping your address current on scheduling platforms like Acuity is crucial for smooth operations and client communications. Let's dive in and make sure your Acuity account reflects your most up-to-date information. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to the Acuity scheduling homepage. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used to sign up for Acuity, so make sure you're using the correct one. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could trip you up later on. After you've entered your email and clicked on Next, you're going to see an option to continue with Google. This is a handy feature for those who have linked their Google account with Acuity, allowing for a quicker and more secure login process. Go ahead and click on that. Selecting Continue with Google will bring up a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the one that's associated with your Acuity account. This step streamlines the login process using Google's secure authentication to get you into your Acuity dashboard seamlessly. Once you're logged in and looking at your Acuity dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your calendar. This area is where all your appointments are scheduled and managed. You can find the link to go to your calendar at the top or side navigation menu depending on your layout. Within the calendar view, click on the appointment for which you need to change the address. This action will open the appointment details where you can view all the specifics about this particular booking. Upon opening the appointment details, look for the Edit option. This button allows you to modify various aspects of the appointment, including, as you might have guessed, the address associated with it. When you click on Edit, you'll be brought to a screen where you can make adjustments to your appointment details. To find where to change the address, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. There you'll see the current address listed. To update the address, simply delete the old address and type in the new one. Be sure to double check for accuracy. An incorrect address could lead to confusion or miscommunication with your clients, which is obviously something we all want to avoid. Lastly, after you've entered your new address, don't forget to click on Save. It's an easy step to overlook, but until you save your changes, they won't be applied. The Save button is usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the page, and there you have it. You've successfully updated your address on Acuity. It's a simple process, but one that's important to ensure your account information remains current and accurate. Keeping your address up to date is crucial, especially if you use Acuity for appointments that require physical mail or for services that are location dependent. Remember, maintaining accurate and up-to-date information on your scheduling platform not only helps keep your operations running smoothly, but also enhances the professionalism your clients or customers experience when interacting with your business. Regular check-ins on your account details, like the address and other contact information, ensure that you're presenting a reliable presence. Finally, if you have multiple appointments or services that need address updates, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. While it might seem a bit repetitive, ensuring each appointment reflects the correct address is key to avoiding any confusion. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your business information current not just on Acuity, but across all your professional platforms. It's a small effort that pays off in maintaining a seamless and professional client experience. See you in the next video.